In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a DMARC record for GoHighLevel email sending domains tutorial. DMARC is a key email authentication standard that helps prevent spoofing and improves inbox placement. When it's set up alongside SPF and DKIM, mailbox providers can verify that your messages are legitimate, which boosts deliverability and protects your brand. Let's walk through how to get your DMARC record added and verified inside GoHighLevel. Start by opening your GoHighLevel dashboard. From there, head into Settings, then choose Email Services. This is where your sending configuration lives. Next, open View Configuration so you can see the details for your email setup. In that area, look for the Dedicated Domain section. This is the part of the platform that provides the exact DNS records you'll need, including DMARC. Choose Dedicated Domain, then select Add Domain. Type in the domain you send email from. This should be the root domain or subdomain you intend to use for outbound messages. Double-check spelling here. Small typos will prevent verification later. When you're confident it's correct, click Add and Verify. You'll now see a screen that lists the DNS records you need to create at your domain host. Among them will be the DMARC record. It typically appears as a TXT record with a host or name of DMARC and a value that starts with v6 DMARC1. The policy portion, P-non, quarantine, or reject, tells mailbox providers how strictly to handle messages that fail authentication. If you're just starting out, many senders begin with PX-none to monitor results before tightening enforcement later. Only one DMARC record should exist per domain, so if you already have one, don't create a second. Merge the required tags into your existing record instead. Click Continue to review what needs to be added. Then, in your DNS provider's dashboard, create the records exactly as shown. Match the host, name, type, and value without alteration. Keep the TTL at a standard setting if you're unsure. DNS changes can take time to propagate. It may be a few minutes, or in some cases up to 24 or 48 hours. Avoid creating duplicate records, and make sure there aren't stray spaces or extra characters in the DMARC value. Once your DNS updates are saved, return to GoHighLevel and select Verify Records. The platform will check for the presence and correctness of your DMARC, SPF, and DKIM. If everything looks good, you'll see confirmation and your domain will be ready for reliable sending. That's it. Your DMARC record is now in place, and your GoHighLevel email domain is set up for stronger authentication and better